Welcome to our new office here in Seven Hills. I want to give you guys a tour of our facility. We'll start with the lobby, which of course is where our clients first come in. Kyle insisted on having a big shiny sign with a logo on it. I was more about the TV, but we both got what we wanted. We put a beautiful wall that we installed just to create some depth to the room, which was a nice change. Excited to show you guys our new space. As we continue on, this is our bullpen. This is where the work gets done. Our property management team works here. Renee, who does our client care, and also Jillian over here does our accounting. This is our most important VIP. She actually exists. They're just all out to lunch. So this is our Deborah's office. She's been with us for 8 years and she gets the VIP treatment. This is the crown jewel of our office, the conference room. This is where we do our fun buyer consultations with our beautiful Cunningham Group swag. And then we've got our screen that we use for showing off properties. And we have a nice little map over here too. We look around Vegas and see all the places to live. Kyle, you want to add something?
Yes, this map was very expensive, and we really racked up the credit card. A lot of arguments over the chairs and the table, but it all came together pretty well after a lot of blood and sweat.
Yes, I like the white chairs. No one else does, but I like them, and so I won that argument. Also, our little artwork, which I put together from photography around town, is something I really enjoy. All right, I've got the most important room of the office, which is the bathroom. And one of the reasons we moved over here is we wanted our own little bathroom, and we redid this room maybe 3 times. This tiny little room I use for my video and audio recordings here at the desk. Now let's check out where the good stuff happens. Welcome to my office. This is where I do my work when I'm in the office. I get made fun of a lot because it's a minimalist office, but I wanted it to be really clean. This is a little chair where sometimes clients will come in and tell me about their issues. Past clients do too, they'll pop in sometimes. This is a little bit of a gallery of my photography of around the world, the places I love the most, Iceland and Colombia. And then I've got my Junior Achievement Award over there, which is the only award I keep in the office because I really love that organization. This is my little table of golden things, my little photo of me and my love, and then my diffuser, which I put some sage in there to keep out the demons. And now, to the best office, the corner office. Let's go to Kyle's room.
One thing that I love about this office is that I got to design it. I spent a lot of money doing so. For example, I got my nice white couch, my white desk, which is just sort of a more modern look. I want it to be a nice smooth sort of lacquer finish. So it's an enjoyable place for me to work. It's got a bright, cheery sort of feeling. It helps that I have so many windows, although the problem with that, of course, is the massive amount of heat that comes in, hence the custom solar screens, which are up right now. I've got my little pictures up here from different things. One, of course, from my mom, myself at my wedding, my trip to Japan.